Alright, now I'm on this Flashback Express platform. Okay, this platform is different from the Google Meet platform. Okay, this platform I can see myself here. Okay, and here is my desktop background. Okay, I can push my this what should I say, my this face over here. Okay, I can enlarge it if I want to. Alright, I don't want, I can make smaller. I can shift it to here, but here will block. Or here, or here, or here. See where it's suitable. So anyway, I place it here. Okay, and just say for example, if you already prepare your teaching aids and you want to perform it, here got a lot of space. Okay, and just say for example, you already get ready your articles which you have prepared on the PowerPoint, and you want to present it to your student. So you can go on this Flashback Express platform. Okay, it looks like this, and you can see yourself here. Okay, and now I'm going to do a demo to you where you already prepare your teaching aid in PowerPoint form. Okay, like this. Click on, must get ready your PowerPoint. Okay, then you highlight it. Here you can drag it. Okay, to make it bigger. Okay, here you can drag up. Okay, just say you already get ready your this one, your article. Okay, you explain slide by slide, step by step, and then you already tell them how, and you will get ready also your this movie. Okay, you can, beside using the cloud convert, okay, you can use Flashback Express. Okay, yeah, this is how you can show it to your student. You got get ready your movie or your video which we have already prepared it. You can type the URL address here for your video. You will receive this URL address after you have upload your video to your social media. Then example to maybe to YouTube. Okay, then you can copy the link here. Okay, and then you can show it to your student. Okay, how to open this and show it to your student. Just say for example, this is the video you have get ready and you want to show it to your student. So you go and highlight this, right click, open hyperlink, click there. Okay, wait a while. Okay, this is where your video will appear on this platform, and your student will be able to watch the video. It's just an example. Okay, like this video, you have to upload it to Facebook. You want to use it as your teaching aid. Okay. Just now I did a recording. Just now I did a recording on how to make use of the Flashback Express platform. Okay, I recorded this, I download it and upload it to Facebook. That's why it appear on YouTube, and I can replay it back. Okay, this is the one of the example where you can present it in your teaching online. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Just now I just show you how. I'm going to close this. Okay, back to this one. This is how you want to present your teaching online. Okay, or you can go to Google Chrome. Google Chrome. You can go to Google Chrome. No responding. Wait a while. Okay. You can go to Google Chrome. Okay, and you can go online. Go to Google homepage and type. Just say you want to show them the images. Click here, images of building of fruits. Just say you want to show them fruits about, for example, simple example, apple. Make enter. Okay, this one you can use it as your teaching aids. So you show them. Okay, so nowadays teaching are so convenient already. During those days, you have to make your teaching aids, use manila card, use cardboard, use whatever card. Okay, now no need, you go online, just click one click, you can get the information already. So I'm going to minimize this. Okay, so there are two platforms for you to go online teaching. One is the Google Meet platform, another one more is the Flashback Express platform, where yourself appearing here and the background is your desktop. Okay, whereas for Google Meet platform, you can't see the desktop as your background. Okay, like what I did earlier on here. This one is on Google Meet platform. Okay, I'm going to open this. Open with movies and TV. I'm going to minimize on this.
Alright, welcome back to
This is the Google Meet platform.
Because at first you have to sign in
can't
to your
see
Google account.
the
If you have
background
G Suite, you can
on your
continue
desktop.
G Suite. If you want to sign in using your own Google account, you may do so. Alright.
Okay, so you got, the more platform you have, the better. You can choose which one more convenient for you. One day you might use this platform, another day you might use your Google Meet. Okay, both you can do recording. You can record it, and then once you already record, like right now, after I'm going to stop this recording, you will enter into my document, Flashback Movies. Okay, you will enter here. Let me see, select view. Okay, you will enter into this form. Okay, when you are on this Flashback Express platform, after you have stop recording, you will save in this form. Then you can convert into MP4. Yeah, there are ways where you can convert it. I've shown it in my, I think, tutorial 4 or 5. Okay, you can watch from there. This how save different folder, G1, G2. The next one, this one is G3. Okay, I'm going to close this. And I'm going to stop the recording. Just click here. Okay, yes. From here I can stop.